This is section 5.3.1 on adding and subtracting polynomials. Today we're only adding and subtracting. Alright, so we're adding and subtracting.
Oh my.
So to add and subtract, we're going to combine like terms. That's all. Super easy. Okay? When we do this, we are going to put our answer in descending exponent form. That means that we're going to find whatever the largest exponent is, and that term goes first. And then you count down from whatever that number is. So for here, we've got the power of 3, so we're going to put our x to the power of 3 term. We're going to count down from 3. So then we're going to go x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, and then finally the constant term. So again, our largest exponent is 3. So we're taking 4x to the third, and we're combining that with a negative 5x to the third, which would give me negative 1x to the third. Now when I combine my like terms, what I usually do is I just put one line through each of the terms I combined. Sometimes these problems can be very long, and so that kind of just visually helps me figure out what I have done and what I have yet to do. Alright, so I'm counting down from 3. The next one is the power of 2 term. So I've got 4x to the second and negative 2x to the second is positive 2x to the second. So every term has to be separated with either a plus or a minus. That's important too. The next one is the power of 1 term. So I have negative 3x plus negative 4x is negative 7x. And then finally the constant term, 10 plus negative 4 is positive 6. So that's super easy, right?
That negative 7.
It is. Did I need to go back? What's wrong?
Stay right there.
Alright, so we're done practicing addition. That's super easy. Now we're going to do subtract. So please write down the directions for subtraction. Write down problem 2, and then we'll do that together. Alright, so when I'm subtracting, I've got a 2-step problem. In the first step, we're going to distribute the negatives. So right here, this subtraction is going to be the same thing as multiplying everything in the parentheses that follows it by negative 1. So we're distributing that negative 1 to each term in the parentheses that follows it. Okay? We're going to bring down the first polynomial exactly as it is. And now I'm going to distribute the negative 1. When you multiply by a negative 1, you're effectively changing the sign. So I've got negative 1 times negative 4x to the third becomes positive 4x to the third. So each of the signs in this parentheses will change. Do not try and skip this stuff. First of all, if you try and do it in your head, you're likely going to make a mistake. And second of all, your teacher needs to see that you understand the process, so you have to write it out. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So the largest exponent, again, is the power of 3 term. So I've got 3x to the third plus 4x to the third is 7x to the third. And then the x to the power of 2 term is 4x to the second plus negative 6x to the second is negative 2x to the second. And then the x to the power of 1 term is 7x plus negative 9x is negative 2x. And then the constant term 12 plus 3 is 15. So I want you All right, how did I do? Did I get it right? All right, so that's it. Tomorrow we're going to take a quiz on this. I'm assigning bookwork